Today we are doing a half wear test for the Cicapair from Dr.Jart Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. This has SPF in it. I discovered this when the Korean beauty skincare trends were peaking and I fell in love with Dr.Jart. I have a lot of redness and I also like the fact that this is supposed to change from a green to a beige. It kind of color corrects. So we are going to do a half face test, clean skin, nothing on my face, no moisturizer, nothing. We're going to see how this does. You can see for yourself what you think, if it's good, with the redness and everything else. So we are going to put this on half of our face. When you open it up, I don't know if you guys can see, it's green. It is a little bit thick. I'll show you guys the consistency. So it does have a slight green tint to it. A little bit goes a long way with this cream, but I do love how it has the SPF in it. Tiger grass is supposed to be very calming on the skin. So I'm going to do my best to apply this to half of my face, and we are going to see if it color adjusts together. This is a nice, thick, rich cream. It doesn't really have, it kind of has a little bit of a medicinal smell to it. I'm gonna do my best to get half of my face. So I don't know if you guys can see that it starts off green, and as you blend it, it does change to like a beige color. I do avoid the eye area with this, I found, because I used to rub it all over my face. If you have sensitive eyes, it does sting a little bit, so I do avoid the eye area. Are you having a good day today? I hope so. I do like to also tap this into my skin and then kind of let it sit and absorb before I apply any other makeup. This is really great if you're just running out of the house, you don't really want to do a lot of makeup, but you just want to make sure that your skin is protected, has nice SPF. Just so you know, this is not a paid review. I just wanted to show you guys half face what it would look like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have applied the Cicapair from Dr.Jart SPF 30 on this side of my face. It does give a really nice, just a glowiness. I do feel like it does a really great job in evening out the skin tone, but I wanted you guys to see for yourselves if this was worth buying. So go ahead, take a look. I'll give you guys a close up. Dr.Jart Cicapair Plain Skin. What do you think? Thank you so much for joining me today in the Beauty Library. My name is Georgina Castens, and I will see you soon.